Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we received a request from a community member and her name is Katya. And Katya writes, "Hello Miss Planet." Hi Katya. "I love your channel. Thank you for helping us ladies out with making our weddings affordable and glamorous. You are very welcome, Katya. Can you please do a video of a cherry blossom tree aisle pillar?" That's a mouthful. Well, Katya, not only did we create this beautiful cherry blossom wedding aisle decor, we are also giving you a bonus centerpiece for $20 that can also be used as a pillar topper. So, without further ado, let's get started with this week's episode, Cherry Blossom Wedding Aisle Decor with bonus centerpiece for $20. All right, guys, let's get started. So we're going to start off with our 30-inch manzanita tree and our rose gold Krylon glitter blast spray paint. You can change this tree into any color you would like, but for our centerpiece or for our owl pillar topper, we're going to use the rose gold because I just like it and it looks more like a tree color. So with that, we're going to go ahead and use these porcelain dogwood spray flowers. Now they're actually like a plastic and it gives such a realistic look, and they're so full that it just turns our tree into the blossoming cherry blossoms that we want. So we're going to remove them from the spray stem, and on the ends they typically have a little bitty of a opening section that you can actually attach directly to your stems of your tree. So let's go ahead and get that prepped and get it attached. To add extra height to our pillar topper, we're going to use this 4x8 round styrofoam cake foam, and we're going to make sure that we have plenty of space to set our tree right on top of it before we attach our hydrangeas. Yet another option we have, that $20 option, is to go ahead and top it with two of our cylinder vases, both from the Dollar Tree, one 9-inch and one 7.5-inch, and then simply filling it with water to your desired level and adding these floating candles, which are also from the Dollar Tree. The base, the foam base, is the same. It's just what you choose to top it with. This $5 option or the little bit more expensive option of the cherry blossom tree. I love that it just gives you options. Now that we have completed our hydrangea vase, I just want to show you how we can put both options together. Here are our two cylinder vases. We simply fill it with water to our desired level, and then you add your floating candles that are also from the Dollar Tree. I love this because it gives you a variety. So let's say that you want to do 6 pillars. You can do 2 or you can do 4 of them, the less expensive pillar candles going down your aisle, and then the other 2 could be your cherry blossom trees or vice versa. And one other thing is the way we built this, it's so easy to transport it from your wedding ceremony to your reception. So you get 2 looks for one price. So the other thing I want to talk to you about are those pillars. Now, most rental centers will rent you the pillars for a fraction of the cost. It really doesn't make any sense for you to go and purchase your concrete pillars unless you are a wedding planner or an event planner. Then by all means, when you catch them on sale, purchase them. I prefer my pillars to be concrete because it just gives more depth and dimension than the plastic pillars that they sell online. But really, it is your preference. The plastic would be fine if you choose to spray paint them a different color other than the white. They will come out just as beautiful as the inspiration picture. So I'm showing you here how you would actually put your topper on top of the concrete pillar, and then also showing how it would look or how it could appear on your reception table. So I hope that's giving you an awesome idea of how to use this very versatile candle and or cherry blossom tree pillar topper and centerpiece. Well, Katya, my goal was not only to meet your vision, but also give you another option. And so I hope we did that, and I hope we met your expectations. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, be sure to click that little bell right there in the corner, and you will get a personal notification the very moment the videos are live. If you have a question or a comment, by all means, put it right there in that comment box. I, Miss Planet, answer all our questions. Now, it takes me a little bit of time sometimes, but we have an awesome community here on YouTube, and if I can't get to them fast enough, I promise you, one of our community members will definitely try to assist you. We are just awesome, an awesome support team, and I appreciate you guys so much for that. If you would like to follow us also on our social media, that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, otherwise known as Ebates, what are you waiting on? It is absolutely free, free, and you are paid to shop. So simple. Go right down to the description, click on the link that says Rakuten, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. We use it here at Miss Planet, and we just want to pass that tip right on to you. In addition to that, check out our MissPlanetShop.com store for awesome planning guides. Right now, you guys are loving our Maid of Honor planning guide, which gives your maids of honor step-by-step details as to what they need to do to help you make your day fabulous. We have other planning guides there too, so all of you newly engaged brides to be, check it out. I also want to let you know that soon, and very soon, we will be launching our own Miss Planet brand of artificial flowers on our Amazon store. I'm so excited. We have been working so many months on this. We heard you guys loud and clear that you wanted to be able to purchase flowers that you knew would be top quality and excellent for your planning purposes, and we are so excited, cannot wait for you to see them. And if you want to make sure you don't miss it when we launch, sign up for our newsletter and you will get a special notification. In addition to that, if you would like to hang out with us a little bit more, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, where I have our home channel. It's exclusively on our website, it's absolutely free, and you get to hang out with me while I do DIY projects around my house, as well as the home of my friends and families. I would love to have you, so let's hang out a little bit more. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast. Thank you so much for taking the time out to hang out with me. I know you have so many options on YouTube, and we just don't take it lightly that you choose to spend time with us every week. Remember, if there's a project that we can help you with, head on down to the description. Just click on that upside down triangle arrow and click on the project request tab. There you can follow the very simple steps to submit your project request. All that I tell you is do it sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast, and I hate telling anyone no. So be sure to do that. The sooner, the better. You can also find the links to the project supplies as well as the project cost. It is always listed right there in our description. Just click on that link and you will have access to all the information you need to create this beautiful aisle pillar and or centerpiece. Again, guys, we are so grateful for you hanging out with us. And until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.